Snuffles fix. Make better. Humans understand Snuffles now?
That is awesome!
Snuffles want to be understood. Snuffles need to be understood.
Okay, yeah, I get what Beth was talking about. Fun's over.
Whoa, Dad, you can't endow a creature with sentience and then rip it away.
Why not?
I don't know. It's Indian giving?
A sophisticated predator, nature's perfect killing machine, the vicious wolf, stalks its prey with purpose and skill. It was only with years of selective breeding and genetic altering that this noble beast was transformed into man's subservient little buddy.
Oh my god, he recognizes the other dogs on TV.